In a meticulously crafted Lego city, Jack strolls through bustling brick streets, waving at neighbors with a carefree smile. Suddenly, a sharp click echoes from a dusty attic above. Rose, curious and adventurous, climbs the creaky stairs and discovers an antique Lego typewriter gleaming under soft studio lights. Tentatively, she presses a key. Instantly, outside, the sky shifts from calm blue to swirling purple hues. The city's fountain erupts with vibrant rainbow-colored bricks. Jack rushes to Rose, bewildered and wide-eyed. Each word she types, rain, dance, laugh, materializes in real time. Lego citizens break into spontaneous dance, clouds shower colorful studs, and laughter echoes through the streets. But when Rose types peace, the city freezes, silent and motionless, as if trapped in a frozen moment. Panic flickers in her eyes. Jack urges her to undo it. Desperate, Rose writes, "Awake." The city stirs again, but now every citizen stares directly at the attic window, their faces frozen in knowing, unsettling smiles. The typewriter hums softly, and a new line types itself. Who controls the story now? The attic light flickers ominously. Are Jack and Rose still the authors of their fate, or merely characters in someone else's unfolding tale?